Hi guys, welcome back to So Rachalistic. Today I'll be showing you this really cool balloon game, or this really cool game that you can try yourself. And this website is called Scratch, and if you want to try it, you can. And if you're a beginner at coding, sure, you can try this project out. It's going to be super easy and fun to make. Let's click Start Creating. Oh wow, what? Okay, yeah, there we go. We don't need this tutorial. We're going to pick whatever sprite you want. What kind of sprite would you like, guys? You can, when you do this project yourself, you can pick whatever you want, but I'm gonna go with balloon. We can delete the scratch cat. Unless you want the cat, sure, you could go with it. Like, you could clearly get these cats, but right now I just want to stick with balloon. Next, we're going to go on one flag, this thing. Here, this on the bottom. Click video sensing. It says it might say this if you're first time you're using it. Well, eventually I'm not. Eventually on my device that I use, it's not, but I'm using a different device for this video, so it might say this. So just, you have to click allow if you wanted to use your video, because otherwise the game will not work out. So let's click allow. See, now otherwise the game will not work out really well. So now we're going to drag this block called when motion 10. Change it to however you're comfortable with. Then we're going to go on to sound. Now pick, look, this is the sound I'm using. But if you're curious to try another sound, you could clearly go into sounds, go on this, you could record a sound, do whatever these do, I don't know what these two do, but you can also click this, choose a sound like this. But I recommend doing a shorter sound if you do not like this popping sound. Like this. Now watch this. Whenever I'm touching the balloon with my body, whatever part, it's going to make that sound. Look. How cool. But here's where the true magic happens. Go onto motion and click go to random position and ready, look. Whoa, how cool is that? It moves with your video. And plays the sound when it moves. How cool is that? Next, but if you want it just like this, your project, this is all you have to do and you can play. But if you want another feature, color changing, okay, that's another true magic happening, looks. So we're gonna go on looks, and if you don't know something, that there are two ways to color change. If you want color changing from the website, you'll have way more color changing colors this way, so you'll go change color effect by 25, and you'll move it here. Underneath, go to random position. But eventually I don't want it to color change, so I'm going to go back onto my costumes. But this is another way to, oh, wait a second. Oh gosh, I clicked on it. Oh, wait. I might have to restart in case, because eventually it's not going to work out well. You have to pick one. So you saw I dragged it so it'll color change like that. Balloon, then I'm going to be doing this really fast right now. You can see this one more time. So now you can see what I'm doing closely again. But if you want to, you can go on looks and go to change color effect by 25, drag it underneath. But, and then you saw what just happened, right? It'll go on multiple different colors. But if you want one customized color of your own, you'll have to go into costumes and do this. Just color change it by clicking on it. But I want to do it another way, and here's the other method, which I would normally use. If you want these 3 colors only, sure, you could go with these 3. If you want, you can stick with these 3 colors. But I want to change the yellow and the purple to my style. So, because I don't really like the combo. Now we're going to click on that. Going to go here. So you will see the true magic eventually happen. So wow, okay. So there, see how prettier that looks? But if you want to stick with this, you can stick with the other colors. But I also want to color change the handle. With handles, there are totally different options to color change. I want to see how this looks. Like blue. Ooh, that looks weird. But I don't really like that either. But I want to try that or this. Actually, I like this kind of thing better, but with my techniques. There we go. We've gotten that. And now look. Now I've customized it to my own true colors. This one too I don't really like. Click. Guys, also one more thing to note. When you want a color change, you can choose how bright you want it. I can make a completely black balloon here and draw stars. Wait, you guys, I want to add a 4th balloon here, so I want to duplicate it here. I want to try duplicating. I really need to duplicate. Duplicate. Okay. Now I want to color change this one. But, well, so you have to, if you want black, you have to drag it all the way there. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, I've gotten a black balloon. Not cool to see, right? But I bought paintbrush here. I clicked on the brush. I'm going to go to brightness here. And I'm going to pick a color to start off with. Look how cool that is. Black. See, I'm customizing my very own version of my balloon. If you don't want the whole part of the balloon, you can click the eraser here, which is this. I don't want to click it because I don't want to erase, but if you want to, you can totally do that. Like I said, it's your project, so you could do whatever you want for it. You don't have to do balloons, but you can do a watermelon and make it blue and do it. And draw in a watermelon. Sure, that'll be cool, but yeah. Don't you think purple will look good with the galaxy? Like these polka dots combo here. So there we go. One balloon is complete. Okay, complete. I'm complete with this one here. Now I want to color change this really badly because I don't like it at all. Literally, I want it brighter than that. So clearly, I want the top to be tealish, kind of. Wow, this is kind of the color I want. I also want to color the handle. You can choose whatever style you guys like. This is completely optional what you want. This is going to be completely optional, and look at my balloon. Now so this, as you know, if you want one choice, you can go to change color effect by 25, move it, and you can change the number onto this. That's one last choice, that one. Or if you want to do my method, you can move next costume, and that's when the true magic happens. See, it's color changing to my style. How cool is that, guys, right? But if you want to do change color effect by 25, that'll do too. That's one balloon color change. So here's the video. So here's the end result of the game. It's super simple and easy for beginners. If you guys want to try this game, you can. And if you're a beginner too, you can try it, because this game is going to be perfect for beginners. So another thing is, you can also take instead of doing this what I did the whole time, you could also do the change color effect by 25, and you don't need the next costume block if you're using the change color effect by 25 and getting more colors. But if you want to do what I did, you have to use next costume. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Yeah, I'm having so much fun playing this. You might too.